Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are gonna see how strong is this Tupperware box. So typically in India every single family has this. It's really very durable, microwave oven safe and freezer safe. So mostly children use this to take snacks. In houses they use it to store some small items. So how strong is it really? So to check that out we are gonna drop it from 200 feet. So this is the height. We are going to drop this till there, and we are going to record it in slow-mo in the basement. So let's do it. So after a bit of thinking, I have filled this to the brim. Oh, it's so heavy. It has got a gravel. This is a gravel. It has about a kilo of it, and then cement. I don't know. Just assume this is a cement. It's just so fine, and it has got sand and water. Now it's jam packed and ready to be closed. After closing, we are going to take it straight up to the terrace and drop it from down. So I've closed it. It's tight. It's tight. It's leaking. It's only the water, no problem. So now I'm going to take it up and throw it. So here we are back at the base. We are at this height, and this is still filled with the gravel. Let me show you. Gravel, water and cement, whatever, still filled. Closing it tightly. Honey, roll. In 3, 2, 1. It's down. So this is the final condition. This is the lid. Nothing has happened to the lid. This is the box. Tupperware. This is the sad fate of it. It's broken, useless. It's useless. It's made a mess over here, and it's now time to clean this. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and this is how strong is a Tupperware. 100 feet drop test, empty and with gravel. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you click on the bell icon to never miss an update. This is Krishna Prasath, and see you in the next video.